Once again, very good morning, dear students. Students, in our last lecture, we have started chapter number 5, India, the Southern Plateau, and I have explained you this through the map. I have explained you the Central Highland, location of Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. And today we will start with the life in the Southern Plateau region. Region means area. सदर्न प्लेट्यू में रहने वाले लोगों का लाइफस्टाइल क्या है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस टुडे. ओके, द सदर्न प्लेट्यू spread over the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Students, these states are included in the Southern Plateau. Which states? Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. All these states are included in the Southern Plateau. We will study about these states one by one. First of all, we will study about the lifestyle of the people of Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Which is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Other big cities in the state are Gwalior, Jabalpur, Indore. Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, and some more cities, big cities in this state are Gwalior, Jabalpur, and Indore. Pachmari is the only hill station in Madhya Pradesh. Which is the only hill station in Madhya Pradesh? Pachmari. Some parts have thick and valuable forest. Some part of Madhya Pradesh has valuable forest, thick forest, dense forest, means ghane jungle. Okay. The tiger reserves are in the Kanha and Bandhavgarh national parks. What are the national parks? To save the wildlife, wildlife means wild animals from hunting, government has set up some parks. They are called national parks to save the wildlife like tigers, giraffes. Government has started. Government has set up some national parks. Okay. In Madhya Pradesh, which national parks are there in Madhya Pradesh? Kanha and Bandhavgarh. Here in these national parks, tigers are reserved. Okay. उन्हें hunting से बचाने के लिए, शिकार से बचाने के लिए wild animals को इन national parks में रखा जाता है. Main occupation of the people is farming. What is the main occupation? The people living in Madhya Pradesh, they do farming. Black soil is suitable for growing wheat, millets, soybean, and cotton. Black soil is found in Madhya Pradesh, which is good for growing wheat, millets. Millets means bajra, soybean, and cotton. The state is rich in coal and mineral. Which minerals are found in Madhya Pradesh? Coal and iron. Madhya Pradesh state is rich in coal and iron. Panna has diamond mines. We can find diamonds also in this state. The temples at Khajuraho are a great tourist attraction. People like to visit Khajuraho temples in Madhya Pradesh. The main language spoken by the people is Hindi. Which language is spoken by the people living in Madhya Pradesh? Hindi. Some tribals also live in Madhya Pradesh. Tribals mean जनजातीय लोग जो बहुत पहले से यहाँ रह रहे हैं. Let me show you the picture of tribals. Wait. Yes. These are the tribals. Again, this is also the picture of tribals. Okay. Some tribals also live in Madhya Pradesh. Students, now we have read about Madhya Pradesh. Again, I'm going to repeat the important points. Bhopal is the capital city. Gwalior, Jabalpur, Indore are the other big cities in the state. Pachmari is the only hill station, and the Kana and Bandhavgarh are the national parks in Madhya Pradesh. Main occupation of the people is farming, and here black soil is good for growing wheat, millet, soybean, and cotton. And the place of tourist attraction is Khajurao Temple. Okay, temples at Khajurao, they are of great attraction. And the main language spoken by people is Hindi. And some tribals also live in Madhya Pradesh. Next state is Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Which is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Raipur. The state has thick and valuable forest. Again, in this state also we can find dense forest. It is also rich in minerals such as iron, bauxite, coal, limestone. These minerals are found in Chhattisgarh. And the main crops grown here are rice, linseeds, betel, watermelon, etc. Bhilai has a big iron and steel plant. Steel plant means industry. Steel is a metal. You can find play in your house also. In the kitchen, you can see plates, bowls, glasses. These all are of steel. These are made of steel. Hindi is the main language spoken by the people. Main language spoken by the people living in Chhattisgarh is Hindi, Bastar, and adjoining areas. Adjoining means nearby areas. Here the tribals live in Bastar. Bastar is a place. And again, I am repeating the main points. Listen carefully. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Okay. Here we can also find the thick forest. This state is also rich in minerals like bauxite, coal, limestone, etc. And the main crops grown here are rice, watermelon, betel, etc. Bhilai has a big iron and steel industry. Hindi is the main language spoken by the people, and most of the tribals live in Bastar. Next is Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand, and the Damodar River flows through the state. Which river flows through the state? Which river flows through Jharkhand? Damodar. Ranchi is the capital city, and Damodar River flows through Jharkhand. This state is also rich in coal, iron, mica, and bauxite. Students, we have read about Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and now we are reading about Jharkhand. All these states are rich in minerals. Iron and steel plants are in Jamshedpur and Bokaro. In Chhattisgarh, iron and steel plant is in Bhilai, and in Jharkhand, iron and steel plants are in Jamshedpur and Bokaro. The main crops grown in the state are rice, wheat, maize, and pulses. Pulses means daling. Most of the people here speak Hindi language, and the tribals live mostly in villages. In Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, people speak Hindi language. All these states are rich in minerals, and people do farming in all these three states. Okay, now next is Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Which is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Cuttack is the main city and the business center. The Hirakund Dam, the second largest dam in the world, is on the Mahanadi River. Mahanadi River is in Odisha. It flows in Odisha, and Hirakund Dam to produce electricity. It is the second largest dam in the world. The second largest dam, Hirakund Dam, is in Odisha, and it is built across the Mahanadi River. The main crops grown in Odisha are rice, pulses, oilseed, coconut, sugarcane, turmeric, and jute. These all crops are grown in Odisha, and again, the state is rich in coal, iron, manganese, and bauxite. And here, the iron and steel plant is in Rourkela. You can see the similarities between the states. Farming is the main occupation. These states are rich in minerals, and in Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, there are steel and iron plants also. Okay. In Chhattisgarh, iron plant and steel plant is in Bhilai. In Jharkhand, these plants are in Jamshedpur and Bokaro. And in Odisha, the iron and steel plant is in Rourkela. The tourists from all over India and from many other countries come to visit the Sun Temple at Konark, Jagannath Temple in Puri, Chilka Lake, cave temples, etc. These are the places of tourist attraction. Means the people like to visit these places. People from India and from other countries also. Means foreigners also come to visit these places. Which places? Sun Temple at Konark. You can see the picture. This is Sun Temple. Yes, Sun Temple at Konark, Jagannath Temple in Puri, Chilka Lake, and cave temples. Cave temples, cave means gufain. Okay, these are the places of tourist attraction in Odisha. The tribals live mostly in forested areas, and the main language spoken by the people are Odia and Hindi. So tribals हैं, I have shown you the picture of tribal. They live in forests, and the main language spoken by the people are Odia and Hindi language. Odissi is the popular dance form. Odisha is well known for Rath Yatra, textile, and silver work. For which things Odisha is famous? For its Rath Yatra, textile means कपड़े की यहाँ पर industries हैं, and silver work also. These three things are very famous in Odisha. Next, Maharashtra. Mumbai, called the gateway of India, is the capital of Maharashtra. This is the picture of gateway of India. You can see Mumbai, called the gateway of India, is the capital of Maharashtra. The Godavari and Krishna river flow through the state. Which rivers flow through Maharashtra? Godavari and Krishna. The lava or the black soil is good for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, and millet. Groundnut, mungfli. Fruits such as mangoes, oranges, grapes, banana, etc. are also grown here. Many industries such as textile, automobiles, machines, electrical and electronic goods have developed in Maharashtra. Which industries? Textile, kapde ki mill, automobiles, like motor or motor gadi, you can see, motor engine, machines, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स, बिजली का सामान यहाँ पर काफी बनाया जाते हैं. ये सब चीजें जो हैं ये मेन इंडस्ट्रीज हैं इन Maharashtra. The woman is 5 meters. Okay. But in Maharashtra, the length of the sari worn by the woman is about 9 meters long. You can see the style of wearing the sari in Maharashtra. They wear it in a unique way. in a different way. And the main language spoken by the people of the state is Marathi, Konkani, Gujarati, Hindi, and English. These are the main languages spoken by the people in Maharashtra. The main festivals. Now, the main festival celebrated in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the most important festival celebrated in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi. You can see the picture. And some more festivals are Navratri, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Navroz, Gudi Parva, etc. These are the festivals celebrated in this state, Maharashtra. And the main folk dances means the dance of that particular area. Folk dances are Tamasha and Lavani. These are the folk dances of Maharashtra. The main tourist attraction means the people like to visit Ajanta and Ellora caves. अजंता और एलोरा की गुफाओं को देखने के लिए लोग यहाँ आते हैं. And sea beaches. Beaches means the area near the sea. These are the main tourist attractions. Next is Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka, and the main rivers flowing through Karnataka are Krishna and Kaveri. Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Bengaluru. And which rivers flow through this state? Krishna and Kaveri. In Maharashtra, Godavari and Krishna. In Karnataka, Krishna and Kaveri. These two rivers flow through the state. Again, the main occupation is farming. And the crops grown here, jawar, ragi, cotton, sugarcane, coffee, nuts, and spices. Spices means masale. The forests are rich in teak and sandalwood trees. Which trees are found in these forests? Teak and sandalwood trees. The wood of these trees we use for making furniture. The state is the largest producer of silk in India. Which state is largest producer of silk? Karnataka. This is the largest producer. सबसे ज्यादा सिल्क इसी स्टेट में प्रोड्यूस होता है. Karnataka has an uneven land surface. Uneven means ऊपर नीचे, up and down, not smooth. The Kudremukh iron ore mines are in Karnataka. आयरन ओर, जहां से आयरन एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, आयरन निकाला जाता है, Kudremukh iron ore, that is in Karnataka. The state has many industries. Which industries? Such as aircraft, telephone, automobiles. I have told you automobiles mean motor गाड़ी. Textile, electrical and electronic goods. These industries are in Karnataka state. Bengaluru is the center of IT industry. IT is information technology. Bengaluru is the center of IT industry in India, and it also called its Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru is also known as Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley, you can say, this is the home to dozens of major technology, software, internet companies. यहाँ पर बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं टेक्नोलॉजी, सॉफ्टवेयर और इंटरनेट की. इसी वजह से कर्नाटका को क्या कहा जाता है? सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ इंडिया. ओके. एंड द मेन लैंग्वेजेस स्पोकन बाय द पीपल इन कर्नाटका आर कन्नड़, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. The women wear silk sarees. Here men used to wear lungi and shirt, and women wear silk sarees. The state has temples and monuments. Monuments means historical buildings, you can say, such as statue of Lord Gomteshwara, Nandi Bull Temple, Hampi Temple. This state is famous for these monuments and temples, which statue of Lord Gomteshwara, Nandi Bull Temple, and Hampi Temple. These are famous in this state. Next checkpoint, we will discuss this with the back exercise. Next is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad is at present the capital of both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The new capital of Andhra Pradesh will be Amravati. Students, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati and capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. The Godavari and Krishna River flow through these states. These two rivers flow through these states. Which state? Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The important cities in the states are Vishakhapatnam, Warangal, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Kurnool, and Chittor. These are the big important cities in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And the main crops grown by the farmers are rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane, ganna, groundnut, and cashew nuts. Cashew nuts means kaju. Groundnut, mungfali, cashew, kaju. The important industries in the states are again automobiles, iron and steel, textile, silk, handloom, cement, shipbuilding, computer software. These are the main industries in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And the state is known for Bidri work on metalware. I have shown you the picture of Bidri work also. While reading the last chapter, I have shown you the picture of Bidri work. People mostly speak Telugu, Urdu, and English. Which languages are spoken by the people living in Andhra Pradesh? Telugu, Urdu, and English. And which dance form is famous? Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is the popular dance form. And the main festivals celebrated in these states are Pongal, Ugadi, Sankranti, and Eid. These are the main festivals celebrated in these two states. Which states? Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Pongal, Ugadi, Sankranti, and Eid. These are the main festivals celebrated. And here, men like to wear dhoti kurta in the states, and women wear saris. The main tourist centers are again, people like to visit these places. Charminar, Salarjung Museum, Golconda Fort, White Temple, and Buddha statue. These are the main tourist attraction in Hyderabad. Another Tirupati and beaches. Beaches, I think all of you know the area near the sea. Last one is Tamil Nadu. Chennai, formerly called Madras, Chennai जिसे हम मद्रास बोलते हैं, is the capital of Tamil Nadu. There are many temple towns in the state, such as Madurai, Thanjavur, Tiruchirappalli, Rameshwaram, Kanchipuram, Kanyakumari, etc. There are many temple towns. ये जो towns हैं, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे temples बने हुए हैं. These are the religious places, you can say. People like to visit many of the temples in these cities. This state is also famous for silk sarees. Tamil Nadu is also famous for silk sarees. And the main crops produced by the farmers are rice, cotton, sugarcane, coffee, tea, coconut, spices, groundnuts, and fruits. Students, you can see coastal areas में जो states हैं, वहां पर आप देखोगे कि राइस, जितने भी states हैं वहां पर लोग ज्यादा जो फार्मर्स हैं वो राइस की प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा करते हैं क्योंकि वाटर इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाता है. ओके. टी एंड कॉफी आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द नीलगिरी हिल्स. टी और कॉफी कहाँ प्रोड्यूस होती है? इन द नीलगिरी हिल्स which are in Tamil Nadu. And fishing is important in coastal areas. The main industries in the state are sugar, automobile, silk, and cotton textile. These are some common industries in the states of southern plateau. People in Tamil Nadu mostly speak Tamil and English. In Tamil Nadu, people speak these two languages. Mostly these two languages are spoken by people, Tamil and English. Here, the men like to wear lungi or dhoti and shirt, and women mostly wear lungi or dhoti with shirt, and women wear saris. Bharatnatyam is the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. Which is the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu? Bharatnatyam. Pongal is the most important festival. People like to eat dosa, idli, upma, and sambar. These food items are very famous in Tamil Nadu. We also like to eat these uh, dosa, idli, upma, and sambar, but this is very famous in Tamil Nadu. Yes, dear students, that's all about this chapter. The Southern Plateau, we have read about the lifestyles of the people living in the states. Students, now it's your turn. We are going to unmute all of you. Excuse me. Excuse me, Preeta ma'am.